Okay, so let's start with our head. This is our head. Do you know? Our left head controls our right body and our right head controls our left body. Moving ahead, this is our forehead. This is the eyebrow. These are the eyes. You can see with your eyes. Can you close your eyes with me? Just close your eyes. Can you see me? No. So when you close your eyes, you can't see anyone. Can you blink your eyes like this? Blink, blink, blink with me. Want to know a fun fact about blinking? You know, babies, little babies, they blink very less when they are a child. And as you go older, you start blinking more. Also, you blink less when you concentrate, when you're reading a book or you're concentrating in some work. Okay, can you roll your eyeballs with me? Just try to roll your eyeballs. Wasn't that fun? Moving ahead. This is our nose. What can you do with your nose? Try to smell. You can smell with your nose. Come on, you can go and grab a perfume from your mom. Just spray some perfume and try to smell it. Try to smell some flowers when you go out. So you know that you can smell with your nose. You know what? You have tiny hairs in your nose that keep dirt out. They help you. Moving on. So these are our ears. So with your ears you can hear. Do you want to see what happens if someone shouts in your ear? Let's take a look. Wasn't that fun? Let's move ahead. This is our tongue. What do you do with your tongue? You taste your food with your tongue. You can taste a chocolate, which is sweet. You can taste a lemon, that is sour. You can taste some chili. So, you can taste with your tongue. But do you know a fun fact? Your sense of smelling is much stronger than your sense of taste. So, if you have cold, if you can't smell, that times even you feel that your food is tasteless, because the taste, the flavor that comes in with your tongue, your nose smell has a strong role to play there. Okay, so and this is our teeth. You can bite with your teeth. Do you know what? Your teeth is as strong as shark teeth. Your teeth are even stronger than your bones. They are very strong. And this is our mouth. Can you show me blowing with your mouth? Can you blow some air out with your mouth? You want to see some fun? How you can blow the seeds of a flower while blowing with your mouth? Let's see. And what else? You can yawn with your mouth. When you're very sleepy, you yawn. So when you yawn, you're asking for more oxygen. So, and you know what? Yawning is contagious. If you see someone yawn, maybe even you can yawn. These are your cheeks. This is your chin. Okay, so good thing about your face. What else can you experiment? You can experiment with your nose. Go grab your mother, your father, your brother and try to touch their nose with your nose. Let's check it out. So, moving on to our hand. So this is our hand. These are the fingers. This is our wrist. The arm, this is the elbow, This is the armpit. So, time to have fun with your hand, your fingers. Okay, so can you wriggle your fingers with me? Wriggle, 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 wriggle. Can you make the sound with your fingers? Let's see if the little one can do it. Okay, so can you rotate your hands from your wrist? Try rotating. Isn't it fun? Okay, move on. So, do you know? These are your nails. These are your fingernails. Your fingernails grow much faster than your toenails. Also, you have unique fingerprints. Every person in the world has unique fingerprints. You know, your fingerprints are formed when you are in your mother's womb. They are formed at that time itself. One more fun fact, I'm sure you might not know. So, just like your fingerprints, even you have unique tongue prints. Everyone has tongue prints which are unique. So, moving on to another fun fact now. You know what? The distance between your wrist and your elbow is the same size as your feet. You can go and check. Just try to put your feet between your wrist and your arm. So you see, this is the size of your feet. So next time you go shoe shopping, so you can try the size of your shoes here between your wrist and your elbow. Nice. Okay, moving on. So to close with hands, do you want to see the little one shaking his hands and dancing? Just take a look. So moving to the back side of our body. So this is our neck, this is the shoulder, this is the back, and this is the backbone. Do you know what? The shape of our backbone makes it easier to bend forward than to bend backward. Can you try? So you try bending forward, you can do easily, and you try bending backward, you can't bend completely. Yeah? And these are the shoulders. So let's try to move our shoulders up, down, up, down. Do it with me. Okay. Okay. Moving on. So this is our chest, our stomach, our belly button, and our hips. Can you try rotating with your hips like this? Perfect. Okay, so moving to the legs. So you see here, these are our legs. So what we see in our legs, we see this is the knee, the foot, the toes, and the ankle. These are the parts of our leg. What can you do with your leg? Do you know the leg are the strongest muscles of your body? So you can jump with your legs, you can run with your legs, you can kick with your legs. Let's check out some fun videos of jumping with your legs, kicking the ball hard, and running. So, can you point your toenails and can you dance on your toenails like this? Okay, try walking on your toenails. Is it fun? Oh yes. So, we are finished with our body. You know, so for all our body parts, we have bones inside our bodies. And when we were a baby, we had around 300 bones, which when you grow old, it comes down to around 206 bones. So as a baby, we have more bones and it reduces as we become adult. So that was our last fun fact for today. I hope you enjoyed this book and I really hope you did everything with me and you know what your body is all about now. You know about yourself much more. If you like this video, press like and please do subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Bye-bye.